diverse climate, there are so many problems like their natural disasters. Natural disasters, examples like tsunami, earthquake and flood can cause many damages in India. Many people lose their lives in one single disaster over many periods due to the lack of warning and the lack of the local detection system.
This is the data that we have collected from the internet regarding this problem. As we can see that there is a major increase in the natural disasters due to climate change. We have also collected some pictures from the internet regarding natural disasters in India in 2025. As you can see that there have been earthquakes in the Himalayas and cyclones near the eastern Ghats, landslides in the Himalayas, flash floods in Uttarakhand and many more.
To solve this natural disaster problem, our team have designed the smart disaster detector and alert tower. This tower is a 25-feet long tower which can be lit up in many villages, communities, schools and other places where the natural disasters can occur and destroy the buildings. It automatically triggers alerts for sirens, LEDs before the natural disasters occurs. The entire system runs on renewable solar energy with the help of a solar panel, and it produces alerts and LED from the antenna and GSM module. But how it detects different natural disasters, we will learn about this as follows.
So there are some flood detection system that how it works. The flood detection system works on the basis on the ultrasonic sensor which is rising water levels nearby the rivers and dams. When the rivers and dams water overflow and or cross the major limit, the system automatically triggers and the sensor of the red is starting glowing and it is starting making the silent sounds and informing the all people to move in a safer area.
The cyclone and tornado detection system works as follows. Air pressure sensors and wind speed detectors are there in the tower which continuously measure the air velocity and pressure. Sudden drops in pressure and strong winds can alert the people through messages, phone calls or any medium of communication. They are sent a message to move out of the area and move to a safer place to avoid being hit.
The earthquake and the landslide detection system works as follows. Vibration and soil pressure sensors, unusual ground motion and its moisture. When shaking up of a specific threshold is detected, then it is detected for the earthquake and it immediately alarms the LED lights and the buzzers. But when the soil is too moist, it detects for a landslide.
Accident fire detector is work as follows. Fire and smoke continuously track around the danger and the surrounding changes. If temperature and beyond danger zone, if it detects any smoke, so it is starting burning and trigger several red alert lights. This helps farmers, schools and doctors, hospitals, etc. to move around from the danger to safe zone.
So as we know, in many areas, the power connection and communication may be lost and there will be some difficulties to face. So to ensure that it works 24/7, we have installed the following changes. The system is fully solar powered and it operates on a battery which works 24/7. It also has a small camera inserted which can help detect natural disasters more accurately and correctly.
This is the simple diagram of our idea that we have designed. In this diagram, there is a 25-feet tower with a solar panel that takes renewable solar energy from the sunlight and charges all the sensors. In this box are the CCTV camera which observes the natural disaster more accurately, and in there is the fire detector, smoke detector system for accident fires, and the wind speed detector for cyclone and tornado detection, and this also contains ultrasonic detector for the floods to detect it more fastly, and it contains a soil moisture for the landslide and the earthquake vibration system and to measure the seismic activity of the ground. And this diagram is our model that we are going to present in this idea. As we have designed our idea, it was have to always keep the sensors clean so that it can measure accurately. The weather damage could also affect our towers and could block some of our sensors. And the limited detection range can only range from a given point of a radar. It can detect much far if the radar is not in the area. The network dependence is also because if the mobile does not have network, it does not send any messages. And these are some of the advantages and disadvantages. Here we have given the details of the cost of our idea. As our idea contains many of the sensors, unit, solar panel, battery, alert system, and many wires and a main tower frame. Its total estimated cost is between 24,000 to 32,000 rupees. Last, we want to thank you for watching our project. Thank you.